Yes.
That's a car too.
Yes.
Car.
Yes.
Truck.
Yes.
His
Yes.
foot.
Uh-oh.
Can you give baby Alex a kiss?
Can you give him a kiss on his head, Maddie? Aww.
This up.
Can you wave
Do
to
you want
mommy?
up?
Hi, Madison. What's today's date? February 3rd,
Hi.
2008.
Dad.
Yeah.
Mama. Mama.
Who is that, Madison?
Us.
Yeah.
Us.
Yeah, that's Alex. Oh.
Did you give Alex kisses?
A blankie for him to cover him?
Madison, cover your mouth, please.
No.
No? Okay, he doesn't need it. Sorry.
Hi.
Alright.
Hi.
Joe,
Yeah.
come here.
Yeah. Wait, forward? Okay.
Joey,
How's your,
I'm babysitting the baby.
no, I think I'm okay on that. Yeah. I got,
Be careful of your arm. Don't hit the baby in the face.
First little shiner. Got it from my big cousin.
Can you give Alex another kiss?
Up.
Well,